Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I'm fine too. Thank you. Students, before we start our study today, please read Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me check your attendance list first. Lucky, Meli, Kartika. Student, all of you here. Let me ask you something. Pernahkah kalian merasakan penyesalan di dalam diri kalian karena tidak melakukan sesuatu tepat pada waktunya atau tidak melakukan sesuatu itu pada porsinya? Pernah? Kalian semua pernah. Terus apa yang kalian katakan pada diri kalian sendiri? Seandainya saya melakukan itu, good job Lucky. Semisal kalian sebelum berangkat sekolah selalu sarapan pagi, tapi hari ini kalian tidak sarapan pagi, sehingga di sekolah kalian sakit perut. Contohnya kalian mengatakan kepada diri kalian, seandainya saya sarapan pagi, saya tidak akan sakit perut di sekolah. Kalian bisa gak mengucapkannya dengan bahasa Inggris? Kurang paham? Tidak tahu? Today, Miss Alfia will teach you how to make that sentence. Do you know what material we want to learn today? Today we want to learn about conditional sentence type 1. What is conditional sentence? Conditional sentence adalah kalimat perandaian. Seandainya saya melakukan ini, saya tidak akan begini. Jadi, conditional sentence has 3 types, and now we are going to learn about types 1. Conditional sentence types 1, it is possible and also very likely that the condition will be fulfilled. Jadi, di conditional sentence types 1 ini, perandaiannya sangat mungkin bisa terjadi di masa depan. Bagaimana rumus dari conditional sentence itself? What is the formula? So this is the formula of conditional sentence type 1. If simple present, comma, and present future. So we move to the example. If I find her address, I will send her an invitation. From this sentence, where is the simple present? Lucky? Good job. I find her address. Why you call this simple present? Because verb 1. Good job. And Kartika, I will send her an invitation. What is the tenses? Present, future. Excellent. This is present future because there is will and verb 1. Will and verb 1. So what is the meaning of this sentence? If I find her address, I will send her an invitation. Seandainya, ini bisa seandainya atau jika. Seandainya saya menemukan alamatnya, saya akan mengirim dia sebuah undangan. So far, do you understand? Students, in conditional sentence there is subclause and main clause. Subclause and main clause. What is subclause and main clause? Main clause in Indonesia disebut induk kalimat dan subclause disebut anak kalimat. Apa itu main clause? So main clause is kalimat atau sentence yang bisa berdiri sendiri. Contohnya ini, I will send her an invitation. Saya akan mengirim dia sebuah undangan. Jadi kalimat ini bisa berdiri sendiri tanpa adanya kalimat di depan ini. Nah, kalau subclause, if subclause itu anak kalimat, jadi tidak bisa berdiri sendiri. Contohnya ini, if I find her address, jika saya menemukan alamat dia. Jadi jika hanya kalimat ini tidak kurang memberikan pengertian kepada yang membacanya. Jika saya menemukan alamat dia, terus bagaimana? Kalau tidak ada kalimat ini tidak bisa berdiri sendiri. Di sini kita bisa memindahkan main clause-nya in the beginning of the clause or the sentence. Nah, gimana caranya? Kita memindahkan ini ke depan dan ini ke belakang. So, I will send her an invitation if I find her address. Jadi gampang sekali untuk mengubahnya, tapi syaratnya di tengah kalimat antara main clause and subclause tidak harus dikasih koma. Jadi saya akan mengirimkannya sebuah undangan jika saya menemukan alamatnya. Students, di sini kan kalimat positif. This is a positive form. Nah, kita bisa mengubahnya, change it to the negative one dengan menambahkan atau mengubah tensesnya menjadi negative form. Seperti simple present diubah menjadi negatif, berarti ditambah if I don't find her address, comma, I will not send her an invitation. I will not send her an invitation. Jadi di setiap tensesnya we change it in the negative form. This negative. So students, now I want you to make a couple of group, and I already decide it by myself. So Kartika with Andini, you are the first group, and Melly and Lucky, you are the second group. So today we are going to play a game. The name of the game is matching game. Okay student, this is our game, matching game. So what is your job? So your job as a group, you have to match this sentence. What is the beginning and what is the ending of this sentence to become a conditional sentence. So I will call you one by one group to make this sentence, to match this sentence. So the first group, Andini and Kartika, what is your sentence for the beginnings? Okay, well, pardon. Okay, this is. If you listen to me and the endings, this one, okay. Are you sure this is correct? Please read this sentence. If you listen to me, you will understand what I mean. Okay student, I ask you, this is correct or not? Correct. Okay, good job for Andini and Kartika. Okay student, you have already a great job. I think time is up. Before we close our study, I want to check your understanding. So from this game, what is the main clause? From this sentence, the main clause, you will understand what I mean. Okay, good job. And the subclass is if you listen to me. Okay, thank you for your performance. Before we close our study, please read Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week.